Both new and expert gardeners agree that a greenhouse truly makes all the difference when it comes to taking your gardening to a whole new level. Horizon Structures can help with our pre-built greenhouses. Think of it, our greenhouses can help you extend your growing season, have a wider variety of vegetables and flowers, protect your plants from bugs, birds, and other pests, maintain correct moisture and temperature levels for healthier plants, and also allows for starting seeds earlier. A greenhouse also offers a great place to store your gardening tools and supplies. Regardless of the size you choose, these greenhouses are built to last by Amish craftsmen. You'll find a pressure-treated 4x4 Southern Yellow Pine foundation. Sturdy 2x4s of Southern Yellow Pine make up the studs and rafters, while the steeper pitched roof helps shed snow. Heavy-duty 8mm twin-wall polycarbonate panels make up the roof and walls. This UV-resistant material is 12 times stronger than glass and provides improved insulation. Finally, the exterior Azek trim not only looks beautiful, but it's also maintenance-free. At your request, we can add sturdy, helpful potting benches. Set at 36 inches high, these benches are surfaced with non-porous, smooth polycarbonate that's easy to clean. Square holes allow water, soil, and debris to pass through. You may also select to add a 3-speed thermostatically controlled fan to provide automatic ventilation during hot weather. Best of all, our pre-built greenhouses are delivered fully assembled and ready for use the same day, with unmatched quality and attention to detail. In fact, we're so confident of our quality that we back every one of these greenhouses with our 5-year top-to-bottom warranty. Now there's real peace of mind. Your greenhouse can become a reality, and we can even help with financing. Pre-built greenhouses by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary Amish quality, and amazing value.